Welcome to the Gobi Desert. Mongolia's vast and mystical expanse, one of the most unique desert landscapes on Earth. Covering over 1.3 million square kilometers, the Gobi is not just sand dunes, it's an extraordinary world of rocky outcrops, fossil-filled cliffs, hidden oases, and sweeping steppes. Unlike the scorching deserts of the world, the Gobi is a cold desert. Temperatures here swing wildly blazing hot in summer and bitterly cold in winter. This rugged land has shaped a unique ecosystem, home to endangered species like wild Bactrian camels, snow leopards, and Gobi bears. One of the Gobi's crown jewels is the Khongoryn, the singing sand dunes. These towering dunes rise up to 300 meters high and stretch for over 100 kilometers. Climb to the top for unforgettable sunsets and hear the dunes sing as the sands shift beneath your feet. Then there's Yolyn, the Vulture's Gorge, nestled deep within the Khermen Mountains. Here, even in midsummer, you can find ice resting in the shaded canyons. It's a paradise for hikers and wildlife watchers, offering a striking contrast to the desert plains. Don't miss Bayanzag, the legendary Flaming Cliffs, where the first dinosaur eggs were discovered. These glowing red sandstone formations blaze at sunset and are rich with prehistoric fossils, a dream for adventurers and paleontology lovers alike. Another must-see is Tsagaan Suvarga, or the White Stupa Cliff. These colorful limestone formations resemble ancient ruins rising from the earth. Wind and time have sculpted this landscape into layers of pink, white, and orange that shine brilliantly in the desert light. Nearby, nomadic herders still roam the steppes with their livestock, offering travelers a warm welcome into traditional gear homes. Sharing milk tea, stories, and daily life, you'll glimpse a culture that thrives in harmony with nature. Keregge Travel offers immersive Gobi Desert tour that take you deep into these wondrous Khongoryn, Bayanzag, Khermen, Tsav, Tsagaan, Suvarga, and beyond. With expert local guides and authentic nomadic experiences, it's your gateway to Mongolia's timeless wilderness. Explore the Gobi, discover Mongolia, travel with Keregge Travel Team.